Hey guys, Texas Garden Guy here, and today we're going to be planting some native Texas sage shrubs here in our flower beds. This is my front yard, they don't see very often. First thing we're going to do, we're going to flip this pot upside down. I'm going to squeeze the pot, and this guy is root bound. I found this 6 months ago in Harlingen, Texas. This is a white Texas sage. This is not something you're going to find very often. I'm going to take my knife, and I'm going to kind of scrape and scratch this root ball, so when I plant it, it'll be vigorous and wanting to root. I already got my hole dug here. This was full of some shrubs that really didn't do much for the pollinators. If y'all are in the Houston area, Texas sage is one of my favorite pollinator plants, and it literally blooms from spring all the way until the first frost. One thing I'm going to use anytime I transplant or do any kind of planting is Nelson Plant Food Genesis Transplant Mix. This is going to help with a quicker recovery. It's going to stimulate those roots and get everything going faster. So this is the perfect time of year to do this. I'm just kind of give it a little bit of sprinkle into the hole. A little extra. And then kind of get down here and kind of get it situated. I've also got some Landscaper's Pride Garden Magic here. This is my go-to mix anytime I'm planting something. It's a very affordable mix. I pick it up over at Sienna Mulch, same place I got the Genesis. And I'm going to top dress and fill this hole in with some of this. This has got some pine bark mulch and all that good stuff that plants love. And then I take a little bit more of that Genesis. I'm going to sprinkle it around top like a steak. Give it a little bit of extra seasoning on top. All right. Now we're good to go. We're just going to water this in, and we're going into winter now, so not going to have to do too much maintenance. That's what I love about native plants. Water them first time, and they're typically good to go here in the Houston area. So hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one.